Hi, in this tutorial I would like to create a minion. So if you don't know what a minion is, it's this guy here from the Despicable Me movie. You've probably seen him before. And I tried to make it before I made this tutorial, and it seemed we can make it fairly simply. The only thing I had problems with was how to make this clothing. So I will just tell you what I tried. So you see this strap here and this front here. This strap is kind of, in Autodesk 1-3, it's kind of difficult to make it if you want to make it perfect. Like I tried with loft and with sweep, but because it's not aligned to any plane, it has a weird shape. It's kind of difficult to get it good looking, but I found a way to do it much more simply. And what we'll do is to draw first just the body. Let's see, draw the body, and then we will make a cut of where, using a sketch, we will draw this line that will go over here in the side plane. We'll draw a sketch, and around here I will just use split face on the sketch, or split solid, sorry. And then the part we get out of the clothing, we will just resize a bit, so that after resize it, it will be a bit thicker than the body, and you will see that it sticks out. And then we can put another color on it instead of the same color as the body, because it's going to be two pieces. And then for the glasses, so you can see this one has just one, but I think we put the double one. It's simply made by drawing a sketch of the front, and then we can add two eyeballs inside. We might also add some details on the side, like here. If you look at this one. And for the mouth, we will just make a cut, and then probably put in some teeth in there. And then for the arms and legs, we'll just use some primitives like sphere or cylinder to make it stick out, and then merge and fillet it. The strap here, we will just make it by using revolve. So we can draw a sketch here and revolve it around. So we can just start by going into Autodesk, and we can use polyline just to create the main body. So this is going to be the center line, and then I will go back to polyline, and I'll just click on this line before I draw it. And so what I want to make sure is that we're going to have an arc here. So you can see I want the same length here and here. I'll show you. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 squares there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 squares here, so that we can go to 3-point arc, select one of the lines, and then click the start point, end point, and then just like this. Okay. We also want to put the spline here, I think. Let's put this one a bit up and go to spline, select the sketch, just make 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point there. Oops, sorry. Don't make too many points, because then it's too complicated to change the sketch. So on some of the minions, you can see that they're a bit fatter at the bottom, but it's not too much. You can see on this one. Just so you can get this kind of stomach shape there. Let's see what this looks like if we revolve. So I will just click on the face and go here and go to revolve, go to axis and select my mid axis, and then you can type in 360 degrees, and there you got the main shape. I will just go ahead right away and change the material just so we can see how it looks like in Minion. So I will put this yellow here. So you can see this edge is a bit sharp. Let me put on the outlines here, and let's see if we can just put the fillet here. No. So let me go back and try to change this a bit. So this center, I'll delete this one and I will add, maybe I will go to 2-point arc. So you select the sketch and then click on the center point. So with the center point, it's going to be here in line with this one, and then we can have a start point here and just draw down here and then finish the sketch, and I will put this one there. Okay, this is probably going to be a little bit better. So just make any adjustment you want and then use revolve, and remember 360 degrees, and this is probably a bit better. Okay, so I will continue on the next video, so please follow me there.